Hey guys, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today we're gonna be doing a cooking video. We're gonna be making carnes en su jugo the way that I know how to make them. You guys are asking me for more cooking videos, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I am not the best, but I'm learning. I'm always calling my mom, and I'm always asking her questions. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I hope you guys like this video, and let's get into cooking. Okay guys, so here are all the things that we're gonna be needing for the carnes en su jugo. I'm not gonna give you guys measurements because you know us Mexicans, we do like échale tantito aquí, échale tantito por allá, tú échale. It's just like al tanteo, you know. So I'm sorry that I don't have the measurements for everything, but here's what we're gonna need. So I have carne de res. My mom told me to get pulpa de res because she said this one doesn't have that much gordo, and that she said que le sale mucho juguito, so that's why I got this one. I have bacon, and then I have los tomates verdes that we're gonna need for the salsa. Have cilantro, I have un pedacito de cebolla, I have my best friend, caldo de polvo de sabor de pollo, and salt. Okay guys, so right here I have my big ass cazuela because I'm gonna be making a lot. Ya le prendí, and we're gonna put a little tiny bit of oil because the bacon suelta oil, so I'm just gonna do a little bit, and then I'm gonna let that que se caliente poquito, and then I'm gonna add the bacon para que se dore poquito. Alright, so here I have the bacon, and I'm gonna add it to the cazuela. Aquí vamos a dejar el bacon que se cocine un poquito. Okay, so now the bacon was cooking for a little bit, and now it's time to add the meat. You guys, I'm making so much carnes en su jugo. I just love them so much, and I can eat this like all week long. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt for the meat. Just a little bit because the bacon is salty, and then later on we're gonna add the polvo de pollo to the sauce. Okay, so now that the meat and the bacon is cooking, this is when we're gonna make the sauce. And then right here en la licuadora le vamos a echar los tomates verdes. Vamos a echar ajo. Vamos a echar el pedacito de la cebolla. Consomé de pollo. Y bastante agua para que se puedan moler bien los tomates. Y ahora todo esto lo vamos a licuar. Okay, so now that we have everything, the tomates licuados, I'm gonna put them right here in this jarra right here. And now we're gonna licuar the cilantro. Right here. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more cilantro. And we're going to add water to this too, and then lo vamos a licuar también. Okay guys, so the meat and the bacon are ready, and here is where we're gonna add the salsa that we made. Y aquí también es cuando yo le voy a echar unas cebollitas chiquitas. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Y las voy a tapar y las voy a dejar que hiervan. Okay guys, so this is ready. Ya está hirviendo. And now I'm gonna add the beans. I know a lot of people add them to the plate, but I like to just add them to the cazuela and like get it over with, you know? So I'm just gonna add my beans que ya había cocido hace rato. Mix them in there. Voy a dejar que hierva un poquito más. And then it'll be ready. Okay guys, so the carnes en su jugo are ready and they are freaking delicious. Ya las probé y quedaron bien ricas. So now lo que se le echa es cilantro, cebolla, unos chilitos verdes de serrano, se me hace que se llama, y limón. Y así quedan las carnes en su jugo. Okay guys, so excuse the lighting, it got a little bit dark on me, so this is a horrible lighting, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys make them, tag me and everything. Let me know si les gustan, like the way that I know how to make them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like if you like this video, and hit the little bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.